Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena with sheenaisfab and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a DIY for you guys. I created some jewelry storage for my vanity. I was looking on YouTube and I am really into the clear or acrylic home decor, but guys, it is so pricey. So of course, perusing through good old Dollar Tree, because y'all know I love me some Dollar Tree, I saw some items that I could just do or make my own jewelry storage. So if you guys want to see how I created this jewelry storage, just keep watching. So all of these items were purchased at the Dollar Tree, so they were $1 a piece. I think I ended up spending, I'm sure, less than 20 bucks. I didn't count how many pieces I actually purchased, because you're gonna see later in the video, I actually end up going back to Dollar Tree because my creative juices got to flowing, and I actually added an area to put my necklaces on the side. I thought about that later, so you guys will see in the video where I kind of revamped the first little jewelry organizer that I made. So, but anyway, right now I'm just setting everything up. The hot glue also came from Dollar Tree. You can also use regular adhesive glue like E6000, but in my opinion, hot glue works better because it dries faster. Okay. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you should be. I'm going to go ahead and put my Instagram name up here and go ahead and give your girl a follow. Thank you. So these next items were found in the serving section, like in the party area. They are used for, I guess, serving if you're going to have a party, but I just knew that they would be perfect for holding my statement earrings as well as my sunglasses. And funny thing is, I was on Amazon yesterday looking at similar pieces that cost way more than $1. So when I was in the Dollar Tree, I just knew that this would work just as well and much more cost effective. So yeah, if you want to get these items, I found them at my Dollar Tree in the party section, where the serving bowls and utensils are. So guys, I love statement earrings. When I cut my hair short, that was one of the things that I love to do, was to wear statement earrings. And the earrings that I just showed, the clear earrings, I actually got those from Walmart. They should still be available because I got them maybe a week or so ago. And this jewelry box is actually from Z Gallery, and I absolutely love it. But you know, sometimes when things are out of sight, they're out of mind. So I knew that I could showcase my jewelry with this vanity because of the see-through glass on the top, and then the middle shelf. You can see directly to the middle shelf from the top of the vanity. So yeah.
Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest.
So that lipstick holder is old. I've had that for a couple of years now. Here I am just putting all of my MAC lipsticks out. Listen, guys, I used to be the MAC queen. I started wearing MAC makeup before I had Lauren. Lauren is 20 years old. So some of these lipsticks are pretty old. I'm not going to get rid of them. They are strictly for display because now I only wear matte, MATTE, liquid lipsticks, and none of those are matte. I still am a fan of Candy Yum Yum. That is my all-time, hands down favorite lipstick ever because y'all know I love pink lipsticks. So yeah.
Open up, tell you
Okay, so here, guys, I went ahead and ran back to the Dollar Tree and I got 3 more drawers plus some little hooks to go on the side of the jewelry holder, because I was looking through my jewelry and I was like, well, what am I going to do with my necklaces? And so that's when my creative juices kicked in and was like, okay, if I make this taller, then I can add the hooks on the side to hang my necklaces. So that is what you guys are about to see. And just excuse me, today is my off day. I look a hot mess and I'm actually on the phone chit-chatting with someone. So yeah.
if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open.
So guys, I will say, if you decide to make this jewelry holder, you can or you may not include the top. I wanted this to be strictly for jewelry, and I realized that after I added the top piece that top piece was more along the lines for makeup, which is fine because I may end up just giving this one to Shelby and making me another one where I don't have to display anything on the top. I just added those lipsticks and stuff on top because I didn't want it to be empty for the video. But again, I would just use all of the drawers and then add the clips on the side for my necklaces. So when I remake it, I will post a picture on Instagram, probably in my stories. But yeah, in the future, when I make another one, I won't include the makeup organizer on the top.
Open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. I open up.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product and I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, it is functional as well as cost effective. I mean, when I saw some of the prices on Amazon for these clear jewelry containers, I was just like, no way, Jose. Okay, your girl be watching her coins and y'all know that. Okay, I love coming into my room, seeing all of my jewelry. I love to add pops of color to my outfits. I am such an accessories girl, and this here just makes me so happy. So if you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like my content. For my followers, for my loyal subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting my channel. Like, comment, and share this video. And you guys have a fabulous day. Stay safe out there. Stay Rona free, y'all. Okay? And I'll see y'all later. Bye.